Everybody, good evening. Kay Toretto here from Delhi. It's my first night in Delhi. And for tonight's video, come with me as maghanap tayo ng biryani. So, as you can see at my back, there's a lot of stalls. But we don't want that on the first night. We don't want to have any problem on our first night. So, we're gonna look for something fancy. Or kahit hindi masyadong fancy, basta it looks clean. Because earlier this morning, by the way, I arrived this morning, I saw na it's not so clean. So we don't want that. So we're gonna look for a nice place to have biryani. But I think I'm gonna have to ride Uber. Wait, what's this? There's a lot of people. Oh, anyway, so ayun. Okay, just to give you an insight about what happened. So I was in Amritsar. I traveled last night. I arrived this morning. And I just left whole day and then start transferring my files and everything. Anyways, we're gonna look for biryani. So, hala! Mukhang may nakita na ako. Hindi na pala ako lalayo. Wait lang, let's go. Hello, bakit ang gwapo naman ng mga kumakain dito? Laro. Hello, wait lang yung kaharap ko. Papakita ko. Wait lang. Shit, wait lang.
Chicken biryani.
Hello. Hi. Eto na ang mutton biryani. Chicken pala. They don't have mutton, but that's okay. What to do? Oh, wait lang. Hindi naman pala masyadong malamig ang OA ng suot ko. So it's not too cold. I think I overdressed for the winter. This is too much. Let's remove that. So, hello. This is half amazing. Hala. Everybody, this is gonna be our first food in Delhi. So let's see how long it takes for me to have food poisoning. Hopefully not. We don't want that. Kaya na-follow niyo ba yung journey ko in India? I don't know. Because also me, I don't know. Oh, ayun. So this is gonna be again, it's chicken biryani with onion. I like onion, the raw onion. This is gonna be our first ever food here. Wait. Do you have lime? Do you have lime? Lemon? Yeah. Kung yung gwapo na nasa likod ko. Hindi naman super, but the eyes. You have a very beautiful eyes, by the way. Can you say hi? Hello. Ang ganda ng eyes niya. Super. Wait, where are you from? Here? Pure? Okay. Curious lang. Thank you. Yung eyes niya kasi, parang blue-brown. Shit, ang anghang. Bakit ang anghang? So I don't know yet what kind of vlog I'll be doing in Delhi, but we'll start with eating biryani. Ang gapa naman, no? Hello. That's a great
Pulao. Chicken biryani.
Sarap po.
Pulao. Butter pulao hai?
Yeah, have 120, yeah? Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Hi, we are done now with our first assignment for today's video. Maglaps. So, I actually don't know what is this vlog about. But while I was eating, see? I don't know if you saw that. See? It happens a lot here. They would intentionally hit your back with their dick. I hate that, really. Parang ever since I arrived in India, it happens so many times. So our next... Okay, this vlog is because a lot of people are telling me before going to Delhi, so it's gonna be my first ever night. So whatever happens here, this is gonna be my first impression. But I don't believe in first impression because, things can always change. Everything can always change. So the question is it safe to go alone and walk in Delhi? Let's find out, but not with a cow. I saw a big cow. Let's change the road. Okay, but before that, I don't know if I wanted to have chai or not. But so I don't know where I'm going actually. So let's just come with me. Let's have a walk and let's see where this video will take us. So let's go. Let's do it. Hey. Maghanap tayo ng ano. I don't think that I wanna have chai because I don't wanna have any stomach problem. But let's keep walking. Maghanap tayo ng ano, something. Hello. Yung medyo hygienic. Diba? Yes. We are taking care of ourselves. I don't know if you can see that from here, but there's boiled egg. So that's what I always eat. if I'm done, if I had enough with McDonald's, I'm just gonna buy 2 eggs, eat banana, anything na peeled, anything na hindi fried, anything na walang gravy though. So that's what I have been eating in India for the last 3 weeks. Because oh my God, is that chicken biryani again? You know, let's go on this side of the road. Mukhang there's more things to see here. Okay, so let's just see, you know. So again, come with me as we check. As we walk. As we check. Ano yung chinek? Wait nga yung sintas ng shoes ko. Just in case na curious na rin kayo. So to everybody who's watching this, just in case that you're curious like what. Ano ba? My English, my God, it's still warming up. I'm so sorry. Ano pa gagawin ko? Let's just walk. So let's see like how it goes, 'di ba? Ano 'yan? Toilet. Okay. So ayun. Bahala na kung ano mangyayari sa vlog na 'to. Ano ba nangyayari? My God. Hi. Hello. Wait, again. Hello. Ang gwapo naman nung ano kanina. Siya kayo may-ari ng restaurant. Kakain ako ulit din tomorrow, di ba? Naka-target lock na agad. Di ako papayag. Di ako papaawat. Pero may nangyayari. Oh, good luck. Oh, stuck tayo dito. My God! Again, everybody, if you're watching, your priority in India is to survive traffic. You don't wanna run over by any vehicle. Or you don't want someone's dick at your back again and again. I hate that. Kahit na gwapo, I don't like it. Iba yung voluntary yung ginagawa mo sa... Hala, ayaw natin. Gusto ba natin to? Oh, let's keep walking. Ay, puta ka. Sorry. Ang OA ko mag-react. Oh, again, I don't know where we're going. We just keep walking. This is So to everybody who's asking, is it safe to walk in India alone? For today's video, we're all gonna find out. Quite surprisingly, seryoso. Like, I get a lot of warnings. Or when you go to Delhi, take care of your things and everything. Don't walk alone. Diba? Baka kasi OA lang. So, we'll find out. Mas natakot ako sa mga traffic. Mas takot ako sa traffic. Hello. Cutie-cutie, oh. Lalandiin kita. Bakit sa Delhi may gwapo? In fairness, in Delhi, there's a lot of handsome. Yes. First few minutes, I saw 10. Diba? I'm counting. Because why not? Tawid ako ng tawid, shoota. Wait nga. Anong meron dito? Siguro main road to because there's a lot of bus eh. Oh, can you hear that, everybody? That's the sound of India. Diba? Bustling, busy, entertaining na rin at the same time. Like, once I leave India, I'm gonna miss like all this unnecessary horning. Horning? Is that correct? Oh, I don't want here na. Because it's big buses, baka mamaya dyan pa ako mamatay. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's wait, I don't want my jacket really. Wait, I think I want to go back first in my hostel and leave this and then start walking again. Okay, let's do that. But the truth is that I just want to go back there because there's McDonald's. I want to buy chai in McDonald's to be sure. Diba? Okay, let's keep walking. Ang mga bagets ay naglalaro. Ay, wait lang, paano? Excuse me. Usad ka. Yung aso naka ano, tawag dyan. Kaya ano nga, balik na nga tayo. I'm gonna leave my jacket first. Na-stress na ako agad sa traffic. Diba? Alo, tinan mo oh. Pak. Tama pa ba itong dinadaan? Ano to ba ako earlier? There's no, it's okay. Trap na rin naman ako. Okay, I'll follow them. Okay, let's go. Follow ko na lang yung lokal. Diba? Oh, see? He found a way. I found a way too. Okay. Diba? Walking in the middle of the road. Di mo kaya. Hi to everyone who's watching this. If you wanna go to India, make sure to mentally, physically, spiritually prepare yourself because this is not for beginners. India is hardcore travel. So if you're planning to do backpacking same like me, do not go to India first. Start with Thailand, ganyan, so you can enjoy the backpacking. You will fall in love in traveling. Because if you start from India, it's gonna be it's not gonna be easy for you. Anyways, back to the topic. Ayun lang. So if you're watching this, yun lang. Keep that on your mind. Kung tama man yung English. Keep that on your mind. Okay, we'll continue the walking. Change content tayo. Ano na pala to? How to survive traffic. Yeah. Literally. Fuck. So good luck. Hello. Nakuha niyo pang mag-hi, mamamatay na ako dito. Paano tayo tatawid? On the other side. Okay, let's do it. Please let me, patawid. My God, wait lang. Puta, wait lang. Okay, buhay pa. Woo! Buhay pa. Woo! Putang na. Kailangan ko yan. Minto kayo. So ano ba? Mukha kayong tanga. Diba? Nang away na ako, diba? Para lang tumingin ka, nakakabuhisit. I don't know if you see that in camera, but they were like smiling. Babad trip ako. Charis. Everybody, if you're watching this video, please don't skip the ads, ha? Because I'm gonna die. I'm sacrificing my body, my soul, my dreams, my career for this. So please, okay, mag-skip ng ads, ha? Oo. Nakita nyo naman yung... You see how hard it is to cross the road in India. Every time you crossing the road, you also, ano ba, may tumatawag ba sa akin? You also sacrificing your life. Hello. Puta, tara, let's go. Kaya natin to. We can do it. Let's go. Hi everybody, I'm so sorry. I can no longer take the traffic and walking. I'm not sacrificing my life for the content, so here I am. I'm riding the auto. So let's go, let's do it. Baba, it's 20 ha? So ayun. Okay, let's do it, diba? Hindi ko na kaya, sorry naman. Bakit? How will you cross these roads? Oh, imagine na, if I will walk. Okay, explain to me. How will you be able to cross this road? Oh, diba? Without getting run over or hit by a car. You cannot. Okay, wag pilitan. Hi everybody, so we have arrived here in Chandni Chowk. It's vibrant, super ganda. Wait lang, I'll show you. It's magulo, it's chaotic, but it's actually beautiful. Wait, I'll show you this. Oh, I don't know. Oh, can you see that? Oh, diba? That's beautiful. I like that. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh, see, my first night in Delhi. It's bonggang vlog agad. I just wanna walk and then I decided, why not go to places where it's vibrant? Diba? Okay, so let's keep walking. So everybody, finally welcoming you to Delhi, India. So let's go, let's do it. Let's see, the place looks very interesting. So let's see what's waiting for us here. Hopefully not, ano ba yan? Bakit niya biglang sinara? Nakakaloka yung bata. Okay, so let's go, let's go, let's do it. Hala, this is so exciting. Oh my God, my first vlog in Delhi is so hype. It's so lit, it's so amazing. See? This is like 1.2 kilometers away from where I'm staying. But when I book the Uber, it's 2 kilometers. So I don't know what to follow, Google or the Uber. Hala, there's a lot of things to see here. Okay, let's go here first. Let's see what they have here. So this is gonna be a full tour, everybody, ha? Because I really wanted to showcase this place because it looks interesting. Okay. Okay, mga light-light lang yan. Mang-hunting na lang tayo ng pogi. Charis! Nauwi isa pang hunting. Okay, let's keep walking. Hi, wait, let's go on the other side. Parang mas maraming tinda sa other side. Let's go here. Ay, shit. Magugulatin. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh, everybody, yeah. So this is a walking tour, so enjoy. Mabubusog yung eyes nyo because there's really like a lot of things to see here. My God. Ito na naman ako. O, diba, walk-walk lang. Bakit? Tara, maglakad lang tayo. Maglakad tayo without getting accident. Without having any kind of accidents. Dapat sa India, pusa ka. Puta, wait lang. Shit, wait lang. Dapat dito pusa ka, girl. Otherwise, pag hindi mo na-dodge yung mga traffic, you're gonna die on your first day. So, ayun lang. Hala, may McDonald's. Talaga naman. Hi, wait lang, magmamakdo muna ako. Oh, sorry again, bakit? I-priority yung cravings, di ba? Because why not? Ang cute ng doggy, oh, may clothes pa. Clothes? May clothes. Ay, paano ba? O bakit? Mag-McDonald's muna tayo. Bakit? I-priority yung ano, cravings at health. So, let's keep walking here. Di ba? Makakita ng McDo, kinalimutan yung vlogging. Pag ako nilagawan ng polis dito, oo talaga ako. Hati-hati kaya yung mga polis dito. Why not? Oh, look, sa likod ko. Hala. Papaligaw ako dyan, girl. Why not? Tara, McDo muna tayo. Okay. Hi, everybody. So, you know, ayan na. I was just eating my ice cream. I bought something from McDonald's. Tapos, I didn't notice this. Nalibang ako kakakain ng ice cream ko. And look. O, diba ang bongga? So, it's like Divisoria but more, more giving, ganon. May paano siya, may mga ayun kung may pa-building siya magaganda, which I like. And by the way, for the record, for those who's naghahanap ng gwapo in my vlog, okay, the gwapo ones are in Delhi, so you have to go in Delhi if you wanna see the gwapo. If you wanna see the handsome guys, they are in Delhi. I can see a lot here. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mabubulag sa aking kagandahan. O, ayan. Ano kaya itong ganda? Gusto ko mag-picture dito, shit. But I'm alone. Okay, what's this kaya? Can you go inside? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Where you come from?
I'm from the Philippines.
So you look at this.
What is this, by the way?
This is a Sikh temple.
So I can enter? Is it okay to enter?
Okay, you are entered.
Is
This is the most important temple and this is the famous temple in Delhi.
okay.
Sheeshganj,
Okay.
Punjabi temple.
We can still enter?
Sorry,
It's still allowed to enter?
Yeah, you can allow, but you don't allow to inside the shoot.
The camera, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can inside and
Okay. Sure. Maybe tomorrow. It's okay. I'll just keep walking. Thank you. Nice
What's
meeting
your
you. Kay. My name is Kay.
okay.
Hello.
He's my friend.
A friend? Okay. Okay.
You're welcome, friend.
Sure. Enjoy your evening. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you. I'm thinking if I will go inside or not. You know what? Okay, let's leave that. I have been into so many temples. Ever since I arrived in India, parang everyday ako nagte-temple. Wait nga, let's go on the sidewalk. Mamamatay ako nito eh. Namatay. Ah, let's keep walking, everybody. But if you decided to go here, when you check Google, sometimes they're saying it's closed, ha? So don't believe that. Still go. Because when I was checking Google, it says it's closed. Then I did more research. It's open. Oh. So ayun. Yun lang. O at least, di ba, alam nyo na. And I think it's more better to go here evening time. Kasi it's more vibrant. Paano yung vibrant? Ilang beses ko na nasasabi yan ah. Hoy, I cannot show you the whole place. It's so big. So massive. So, but I think, but at least I was able to give you the ano ba? How it feels to be here. I was able to give you at least the tip of the mountain. Tip ba tawag doon? Basta ganun, alam nyo na yun. You already know what I'm talking about. Baka maging 2 hours content to kapag inikot ko to lahat. Ayun, now I remember, it's giving Dubai soap vibes. I was thinking that because there's a lot of golds as well. I like the place, it's so busy. So everybody who's watching this, comment down below i-timestamp nyo the guwapo. Because sometimes when I'm editing my videos, I no longer see it. So screenshot nyo, i-timestamp nyo para ma-check ko if it's really guwapo. Total, because I also know that's what you're looking for in my vlog. Same. Bakit? I think I was able to reach the end na. So this is the end. But if you walk here, if you're here, actually there's like more places to visit. Like on the side, there's a lot more. Wala, ang gwapo naman nito. Shucks, pasok kaya ako dito. Hala. Mukha siyang patan. Gwapo talaga ng mga patan, no? Thumbs up if you agree. Comment down below if you agree to me that patans are gwapo. Diba? Hey, let's admit it. Kung patan yung manloloko sa'yo, okay lang. Because they're so gwapo. Diba? Imaginein mo, lokohin ka ng pangit, pinirahan ka pa. Double kill ka, girl. At least, diba, sa patan, pag niloko ka, mag-enjoy ka. Okay, maarte sa mga patan kasi nag-enjoy din naman kayo. Pero maartihan nyo din eh. I wanna have chai actually. But I already had ice cream, so that's enough. That's enough sweets for today. Let's keep walking. Ayun na yun ha. Baka maging 2 hours vlog na to. Diba? Maglakad lang tayo. Hello. Naghanap ako ng gwapo. Ano to? Ala, shucks, may chai. Bakit naman ganyan kayo? Ang sarap naman yan. Tingnan mo. Whatever this is, it looks delicious. But I cannot eat lassi because I think it's milk. So ayun, I'm just being careful. But maybe tomorrow if I come back, maybe we can do that. But for now, let's leave it. I feel so... Ano ba nangyayari? Ba't sila nagpapasukan doon? Ano bang meron dyan? At bigla kayo naglilikuan dyan. Anong meron dyan? Ano ba yan? Anong meron doon? Tignan mo, oh. Hello. Anyways, ano chinichika ko? I'm so sad and so jealous of people. Those vloggers who can do food trip. Because I cannot. Diba? Visit kasi itong tiyan na to, hindi nakikisama. Oo. Buti yung ganda ko nakikisama. Charis lang. Wala, huwag mo tiniting ng bata ka. Tawagin mo yung kuya mo. Cola masala ba yan? Ang amoy niya, grabe, no? Talagang, alam mo, ang daming nilagay na ano, na, ay ito, mga powder. Amoy turmeric. O, ayan na yan. We will end the vlog very soon. Diba? Oh. Ang ganda talaga nito. Wala lang. Ito, oh. O, diba? But I told you we're going back. Naloka ako kay kuya. May nag-aalok sa akin, tuk-tuk, sabi niya airport. Ha? Bakit nala sa airport? Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope na na-enjoy niyo itong vlog kong buwis buhay. Ha? Ang sabi mo? Ang sasabi mo dyan? Uwi ka sa inyo. Pagtitripan mo ako, asra ulo. Ha? Ano? Uwi ka. Charis. Kulit mo eh. Oh, everybody, that's gonna be it. So I hope na you enjoyed watching this Buwis Buhay vlog. I'm heading back home. Ay, hindi pala. I'm gonna walk na. Kasi I wanna enjoy, you know. I wanna enjoy half of this moment for myself. I was able to share to you the place, so it's now time for me to enjoy it for myself. So again, that's gonna be it. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whoever you're with right now, I hope that you're having a good day. If not, always remember tomorrow is another day. So see you tomorrow. See you in my next vlog. This is Kay Toretto. Bye-bye. From India, Delhi. First vlog laban.